Well, here's the good news of the day. It looks like perhaps the festive season may bring cheer for a lot of those who've been affected very adversely in terms of their jobs by the COVID pandemic. It's turning out to be rather a blessing, if you will. So as we're seeing economic activity gradually pick up in the country, a lot of companies have also started restoring their salaries for employees in a graded manner in order to try and achieve the pre-COVID levels by the month of November. So among them, you've got a number of examples. Lumax Industries, Sandhar Technologies, EdTech firms like Upgrad, Topper, there's construction equipment giant TIL, interior design and home decoration company LiveSpace, engineering major Forbes Marshall, as well as Decky Electronics. These are the examples of some of the companies that are looking to in fact restore their salaries in a graded manner to achieve the pre-COVID levels. So a lot of these workers are being restored on priority, and some of the export companies as well are currently in wait and watch mode before we actually see the salaries of their top management being reinstated. In fact, many of the companies across sectors had implemented major salary cuts during the COVID virus from 5% that ranged all the way to 50%. Some had even retrenched their staff during the pandemic and the lockdown in the month of April, and it's been 7 long months since then. So you are gradually seeing the situation improve. We saw it in terms of the kind of GST collection numbers, the auto sales numbers that have been rather encouraging. So all of these data points are pointing to some sort of a recovery in the economy. This is going to really help, most of the companies believe, boost the morale of these employees, and they hope that it's also in the long run going to help boost consumption as well. So 12% of the companies, they've restored their salaries already. 20% have announced or will announce it shortly, according to an Aon India HR Practices survey. A half a dozen economic indicators. We spoke about GST, the e-way bills. You've also got the railway freight loading. All of that seems to be inching close to the pre-COVID levels or even exceeding the levels from what we saw last year. So those are fairly encouraging signs. The auto industry as well, remember, had seen wages cut at an average of about 30%. They have been restored to 10% each month since the month of August, as we've seen demand as well picking up. In the electronic space as well, there has been a revival in demand. So August onwards, salaries are going to be restored, and even 100% salary for a lot of executives, according to Decky Electronics. You've got a lot of executives within the electronic space that had seen a 10 to 30% cut in their salaries. So they're talking about how now there will be salaries reinstated as well. The restoration of salaries is a very important component in the technology sector as well, according to Deloitte. And they say that now a lot of these technology companies are hiring actively, and there have been cuts in that industry, which now may be getting reversed. So that's fairly positive. A lot of the small and medium sized companies, they are seeing varying trends as of now. There have been wage cuts as well that have taken place, there have been furloughs as well, and now as there is partial and full restoration of salaries, depending on the recovery pattern of each of these industries, they will look to reinstate salaries and pay cuts. So this definitely comes as good news, with festive season bringing quite a bit of cheer.